Om Shanti. 26th January 2021 Babdada Sakar Murli. In the essence, Baba says, Sweet children, Brahma Baba is the chariot of Shiv Baba and the parts of both exist together. There must not be the slightest doubt about this. Question: what method, which is called a very great sin, have people created to be freed from sorrow? Answer: when people are unhappy, they look for many ways to kill themselves. They think of committing suicide because they believe that they will be freed from sorrow by doing that. However, there is no greater sin than that. They become trapped in even more sorrow because this is the world of limitless sorrow. Om Shanti. The Father asks you children, the Supreme Soul asks you souls, do you know that you are sitting in front of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul? He doesn't have a chariot of his own. You have the faith, do you not, that the Father resides in the center of this forehead. The Father himself says that he sits in the center of this one's forehead and that he takes his body on loan. The soul is in the center of the forehead and so the Father also sits there. There is Brahma and there is also Shiv Baba. If Brahma weren't there, how could Shiv Baba speak? You have always been remembering Shiv Baba up there. You children understand that you are now sitting here with the Father. It isn't that Shiv Baba is up above. His image is worshipped here. These matters have to be understood very well. You know that the Father is the ocean of knowledge. Where does he speak the knowledge? Does he speak it from up there? He has come down here. He speaks it through the body of Brahma. Some say that they don't believe in Brahma, but Shiv Baba himself says through the body of Brahma, remember me. This is something to be understood. However, Maya is very powerful. She makes you turn your faces completely away and puts you at the very back. Shiv Baba has now put you in front of himself. You are personally sitting in front of him. Therefore, what a state will those who believe that Brahma is nothing attain? They will attain degradation. They don't have any knowledge at all. People call out, "Oh God, the Father, does that God the Father hear them?" People say to him, "Liberator, come. Will he liberate them while sitting up there?" The Father comes at the most elevated conference age of every cycle. If you put aside the one in whom he comes, what would you call that? Number one, Tamo Pradhan. Even though they have faith, Maya completely turns their faces away. She has so much power that she makes them completely not worth a penny. There are such ones at some centers, and this is why the Father tells you to remain very cautious. Even though you continue to say that you have heard, that becomes like the example of the Pandit. There is the story of Pandit that Baba tells. He said to others that they could cross the river by chanting the name of Ram. That is a story that has been made up. At this time, you are going from the ocean of poison to the ocean of milk. By having remembrance of the Father, they have made up many religious stories on the path of devotion. Such things don't happen. It's just a story that has been made up. That Pandit told others to do this, but he didn't do it himself at all. If someone still continues to indulge in vice while telling others to become viceless, what effect could that have on them? There are even some Brahma Kumars and Kumaris who don't have faith themselves and yet continue to tell this knowledge to others. This is why it is said that those who listen to this knowledge can go ahead of those who give knowledge. Those who serve many are definitely loved. If a Pandit turns out to be false, who would love him? Their love would be transformed to those who stay in remembrance practically. Maya even swallows very good Maharathis. Many have been swallowed. Baba explains, you haven't reached your Karmatit stage yet. On the one hand, the war will take place, and on the other hand, you will reach your Karmatit stage. They are completely connected. Then, when the war ends, you will be transferred. The rosary of Rudra is created first. No one else knows about these things. You understand that destruction is just ahead. You are now in the minority and others are in the majority. So, who would believe you? When your number has grown, many will be pulled by the power of your yoke to come here. The more rust that is removed from you, the more you will be filled with power. It isn't that Baba is the one who knows everything, Jani Janan Har. He comes here and sees everyone and knows everyone's stage. Would a father not know his children's stage? He knows everything about it. There is no question of being Antaryami about that. You haven't yet reached your Karmatit stage. Devilish ways of talking and behaving are very well known. You have to make your behavior divine. Deities are full of all virtues. You now have to become like them. There is so much difference between devils and deities. However, Maya doesn't leave anyone alone. She makes them like a touch-me-not plant. She completely kills some. There are the 5 steps, flaws. When there is body consciousness, you fall right to the bottom. When you fall, you die. Nowadays, people find so many ways to kill themselves. They jump from the 21st floor so that they are completely finished off. They don't want to end up in hospital and continue to experience pain and suffering. If someone falls from the 5th floor but doesn't die, he continues to experience so much pain. Some even set fire to themselves. If that person is saved by someone, he has to endure so much pain. If he burns away completely, his souls run away. This is why they commit suicide and completely destroy their bodies. They believe that by leaving their bodies, they will be freed from sorrow. However, that is a great sin. They have to suffer even more sorrow because this is the world of limitless sorrow. There is limitless happiness there. You children understand that you are now returning from the land of sorrow to the land of happiness. You now have to remember the Father who makes you into the masters of land of happiness. The Father explains through this one, and there is his image too. It is said, establishment of heaven through Brahma. You say, Baba, we have come here to claim our inheritance of heaven from you many times. The Father only comes at the conference age when the world has to change. The Father says, I have come to liberate you children from sorrow and take you to the pure world of happiness. You called out, O purifier, you didn't understand that you were calling out to the great death to take you back home from this dirty world. Baba would definitely come. Only when we all die will there be peace. People continue to speak of peace. Peace is in the supreme abode. However, since there are still so many human beings in this world, how can there be peace here? There was peace and happiness in the Golden Age. Now, in the Iron Age, there are innumerable religions. When all of them are destroyed, there will then be establishment of the one religion. Only then can there be peace and happiness. Only after the cries of distress will there be the cries of victory. As you make further progress, you will see just how hot the market of death becomes. Destruction definitely has to take place. The Father comes and inspires the establishment of the one religion, and he also teaches Raj Yoga. All the other innumerable religions will come to an end. Nothing has been mentioned in the Gita. They say that the 5 Pandavas and their dog melted away in the Himalayas. What was the result of that then? They have shown annihilation. There will be a flood, but the whole world cannot be flooded. Bharat is the imperishable pure land. In that, too, Abu is the purest pilgrimage place, where the Father comes to grant salvation to all through you children. The Dilwala temple is such a good memorial with so much significance. However, those who built it didn't understand this, but at least they were sensible. In the Copper Age, they were definitely still sensible. In the Iron Age, they are Tamo Pradhan. In the Copper Age, they at least had Tamo intellects. This temple where you are sitting is the most elevated of all temples. Now, you will continue to see how there will be wholesale death during destruction. There will be a great wholesale war. Everything will be destroyed. Only the one land will remain. Bharat will be very small and all the rest will be destroyed. Heaven will be so small. You now have this knowledge in your intellects. It takes a long time to make some people understand. This is the most elevated conference age. There are so many human beings here, whereas there will be so few there. Everything will be destroyed. The history and geography of the world will repeat from the beginning. It will definitely repeat from the start of heaven. It will not start at the end. This world drama cycle is eternal and continues to turn. On this side is the Iron Age and on the other side is the Golden Age. We are now at the confluence. Only you understand this. The Father has to come. Therefore, he definitely does need a chariot. The Father explains that you are now going home. You then have to become Lakshmi and Narayan. Therefore, you must also imbibe divine virtues. You children have been told what the kingdom of Ravan is and what the kingdom of Ram is. The Father sits here and explains the secrets of this play, how you become pure from impure and impure from pure. The Father is the knowledgeful one and the seed. He is the sentient being. Only he comes and explains to you. Only the Father asks you, have you understood the secrets of the whole Kalpatri? What happens in this? For how long do you play your parts in this? For half the cycle, it is the deity's sovereignty. For the other half cycle, it is the devilish kingdom. This knowledge stays in the intellects of the good children. The Father makes you equal to himself. Teachers too are number-wise. Some teachers become upset. They teach many and then they themselves disappear. Among the younger children, there are some with many different sanskars. Some are number 1 devils and some are worthy of going to the land of angels. Some neither take knowledge nor reform their characters, but just continue to cause sorrow for others. It is portrayed in the scriptures how devils used to come secretly and sit among them. As devils, they cause so many difficulties. All of that continues to happen. The highest and high Father has to come to establish heaven. Maya too is very powerful. Even after you have donated everything, Maya turns your intellects away. Maya definitely eats half of you children. This is why it is said that Maya is very strong. Maya has been ruling for half the cycle, and so she would definitely be very strong. What would be the condition of those who are defeated by Maya? Acha. To the sweetest beloved long lost in our fond children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children in return to the spiritual father says good morning, namaste, namaste, namaste. Essence for dharana, point number 1. Never become like a touch me not plant. Imbibe divine virtues and reform your character. Point number 2. In order to receive the Father's love, do service. However, you yourself also have to imbibe the things and that you tell others to imbibe. Make full effort to teach your Karmatita stage. Blessings. May you be a powerful server who gives the experience of his spirituality with your hard work and greatness. May you be a powerful server who gives the experience of his spirituality with your hard work and greatness. Give all souls who come in connection with you the experience of his spiritual power. Create such a physical and subtle stage that souls who come to you experience their own form and spirituality. In order to do such powerful service, you serviceable children have to stay beyond the fluctuation of wasteful thoughts, wasteful words and wasteful deeds and become concentrated. This means you must make the vow of staying in your spirituality. With this vow, you will be able to show the miracle of the Sun of Knowledge. Slogan. Those who fly in the plane of blessings from the Father and everyone are flying yogis. Those who fly in the plane of blessing from the Father and everyone are flying yogis. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba. Thank